Let's see, where is the switch? I just saw it. There you go. And all of his annoying sound, light, and wonder. He works. Welcome back. So all of you were telling me yesterday after seeing our Frugal Family vlog house update, we're, doing our renovation and declutter. Everyone was saying, take a break, take a bath, whatever, which actually I can do because Olivia cleaned the bathtub downstairs for me. So I might just do that and use some of our fabulous dumpster bath supplies. We have enough for like a whole spa day. So I might do that. But what I am going to do to reward myself and to take a break from all of the cleaning and renovating madness is a dumpster reveal. Yes, it is Tuesday, not Wednesday, and you are getting a bonus early dumpster reveal because we found so darn much stuff in the bins doing our retail dive this weekend that it would just be one really long video if I saved it all for tomorrow. So instead, I'm rewarding all of us for our efforts, our continuing efforts to save and salvage and make our lives and the world, as a whole, to make all of it just a little better. I'm rewarding us with an early reveal. So let's go ahead and jump in. What we're looking at this morning is the dollar store and ZURCHERS stuff. There's really not much from ZURCHERS, but quite a bit from the dollar store. So I have already gone through and sorted all of our dumpster finds from this weekend, and tomorrow we will go over the craft store stuff. But let's start with the dollar store and ZURCHERS. With ZURCHERS, all we found were these 2 sets of tights. They just must have come out of the package. Really cute Halloween costume tights. I'm gonna throw those in the wash and we will add them to our costuming supplies. Also, now we're on just dollar store stuff. We have a bag of corn chips. We have some hot cocoa, little like, what is that called? K-cups, that kind of thing. But, I think we can just empty them because I don't have that kind of a coffee maker. So I think we can just use the individual little cups. And then the other thing is once we've used them, these are a fun little size that I think would work really well with an American Girl project. So stay tuned. We are going to do, finally, we haven't done one in forever, but a dumpster food taste test review video. We're going to get to that. There are also 3 of these carnival pops, and of course they're all broken, so that's where you guys come in. Aside from just, breaking them up and sucking on pieces like hard candy, which is an option, what is something else, like a recipe or something else that you would do, could do, or have heard of or seen, doing with stuff like this? A thought I had is doing like, when you do like almond bark or candy cane bark, where you get like white or any kind of chocolate, but generally it's like white chocolate, and you break up your peppermints and put that in the chocolate along with other things like marshmallows or whatever. I was thinking that's an option, or to sprinkle the broken up bits maybe on cupcakes. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments, please, what are your creative ideas and suggestions to do with those? Then over here, we have a couple of just like party favors and that you put in like favor bags. We will just add those to our box of party favors that we have up in the attic. Most of those are from ZURCHERS, but we don't mind adding some from the dollar store. This is Cars, Disney Cars stickers. There's only 1 roll left, so we will just take that roll out and add it to our sticker collection for crafting. We have a Halloween ghost. He just needed his little sound and light up thing jammed back in. Took me all of like a minute, and let me find the switch again so we can turn that demon off. But yeah, we will add him to the many others. We found a bunch of these and the skeletons and the witches last year in the bins, like just cases of them. We will add him to those. We have a headband, a random little ring, a glow stick. We will try it out tonight and see if it works. We have a little unicorn head thing. I have no idea. Olivia, I know, can come up with something for this. Maybe add it to her dolls in some way. I don't know. Some Disney princess cupcake liners where they were out of the package. I'm not comfortable using them for like cupcakes and actually, you know, things that we'll eat. But I'm thinking there are, I don't know, there's got to be some kind of crafty thing that we can do with these. They're so darn cute, and you know we love Disney and we love princesses. So if you guys have any suggestions or ideas of what we could do with these, go ahead and leave that in the comments, please. There is also one of these like 3D stickers. I actually have the same pack that this one came from, and we used it in our summer scrapbook, which is almost done. So stay tuned for a video tour of the summer scrapbook. But yeah, super cute. Then, in the same vein as this, we have art supplies. So there is this cute little, what are they called? Like sun catchers, I think. And so there's the see-through paint for that. And so we will add that to our crafting stuff, along with this glittery, fabulous, look at that glitter. Glittery poster paint, and then just regular poster paint. Obviously, something leaked, but I don't know what or where. And then this one, I don't know what the problem was. I mean, well, maybe it's the pink. The pink looks a little bit sketchy. I don't know. But you know we'll find something to do with them and plenty of use. Then there was this mountain of watercolors, and what happened is that they dripped. They like leaked. All of them did. And honestly, I think it's gorgeous. I think, especially after going to Seattle and seeing the Chihuly glass exhibit, this totally speaks to that for me. Like, it totally reminds me of it, just the mix there. But anyway, I know that we can still use these and make some kind of creative, fun painting project or something. But then, once we've done that, which we will do, so stay tuned for a video of that. But I want an idea of what to do with all these cases. There are tons of these cases, and now I will check and see if our city recycles this particular kind of plastic. Word to the wise, if you have a city recycling bin, one that gets picked up with your trash, whatever, double check what your city actually will recycle, because if you're throwing random plastics in there, you know, that they don't recycle, those are just going to end up in the garbage anyway. So I want to figure out first, will they recycle these? Because that would be the easiest. And, you know, I'm trying to declutter right now and not take on more, not take on more than I have to. But if they don't recycle them, what ideas do you guys have, my fabulous frugal friends, in all your creativity? What else could we do with these cases when they are empty? All right, last of the crafting is a bunch of numbers and letters that we will just add to like our scrapbooking type stuff. Then we have some cleaning supplies. We have streak-free cleaning vinegar. We have some laundry detergent. And, oh, yeah, just other laundry detergent. I thought it might be fabric softener, but no, it isn't. We are somewhat particular about our laundry stuff because of allergies and different things. Fab, I'm okay with keeping. This, though, I will donate. It is not open. I don't know why they threw it out, but I will go ahead and keep this one. I like the Fab brand floor cleaner, so I'm willing to try the laundry detergent. We'll see. Then there were these bottles of super gas treatment for your car. And then over here, we've got this fruit infuser tumbler. Have you guys ever used one of these? I have not. I'm interested, though, to kind of see. I don't know. And I don't know why they threw this out either, because there's nothing wrong with it. There's no cracks. There's nothing at all. That I can see. I don't know. Maybe you guys see. Is it missing something, or am I missing something? I don't know, but I'm going to try it. We'll see. Then there is a pack of safety swabs, and yes, it is open, but these all look pretty good to me, pretty secure. The thing is, they're like gigantic. I would not put that in my ear. They just look huge. But I was watching an episode of Obsessive Compulsive Cleaners. It's like a BBC, or I don't know if it's BBC, but it's from the UK. And there was a woman who was using these, you know, cotton swabs in some of her cleaning routines. And though I don't plan to ever be obsessive as they are on that show, it is a very motivating and inspiring and educational show. I mean, if you want to get your house clean, you turn that on, that or like Hoarders, and boy, you will find energy you did not know that you had. But anyway, one of the ladies on there, she was using cotton swabs in some cleaning, which I thought was just fabulous, just brilliant, really intelligent idea, getting into some places that are really hard to get into. Even, you know, even your toothbrush that you use is not going to get into all the places that a cotton swab would. So because they are open, because that is just too darn big for my ear, I am going to add these to my cleaning supplies. So we'll give that a try. Stay tuned. I'll let you know how it goes. Then, this is awesome. We have some temporary hair color. It's silver. That's going to be fun trying that out. Then we have some feminine hygiene spray. There's quite a bit left in there. And then this is the one I'm really excited about. It's dry shampoo. And we just ran out of our dry shampoo spray. So now we have a full little can of it, which is super awesome because I love to use it on the girls' hair, even mine sometimes, in between washes. Really handy. If you haven't tried dry shampoo, good stuff. You just have to know how to do it, though. Look up a tutorial or something because if done wrong, it just makes your hair nasty. So there you go. All right, that is it for the dollar store and Zurchers reveal. Lots of awesome stuff. I'm super excited. I really am. I am super excited about what we're going to do with all of these things. I'm excited that I have everything already sorted and ready to go, and we're going to get it all put right away, because that is what I'm working on right now, is staying on top of stuff and not letting everything clutter up the house. Ooh, I totally missed this. There was this little, I think it's like a sugar pot. It looks like it goes to one of the little tea sets, the little kids' tea sets that they do on there. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then there was this, which actually was the find of the day as far as in this lot, because look how cool this is. It is perfect American Girl size. Perfect for our dolls. And so we're going to create a little base for it. And I don't know, it'll be a fun little craft project. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably end up on Olivia's channel, which is linked in the video description, along with lots of other fabulous information about how you can support the channel, how you can check us out on different social media, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Lots of good stuff. Thank you for joining me, my frugal friends. Thank you for all of your efforts. Have a marvelous day. Keep doing wonderful things, and we'll see you all very soon.